Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and in what I consider to be a pretty big blunder out of a company that prides itself in having a private and secure browser. We found out that when you installed Brave browser on your system, it actually, under the hood, without telling you, without having any info on what it's doing, it installs VPN services that basically shouldn't be there if you don't use them. This was found by GX, and they have been looking at installs and noticed that every time you installed the Brave browser, what would come up is two services: Brave VPN service and Brave VPN WireGuard service. And they would actually trigger on if you did subscribe to the VPN services, but they were still installed even if you didn't. And like I said, the worst part of this is that there's no warning and there's nothing that tells you that these are installed at the same time as the browser. So, of course, Brave, they did say that they would fix that and that it wouldn't be installed in the future. But the problem that I find here is if you are to pride yourself into having a, really good private browser that is supposed to be the best in the world in terms of keeping your privacy, you shouldn't install things without telling the user. Now, there is no, GX does say that there is no data being sent out or anything out of these services and that they were kind of turned off by default. But still, you should have been warned that these would be installed or at least been asked if you want them or not. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.